而家姨媽行緊去中環碼頭啦。咁咧以前咧就 block 嗰度有條天橋，咁但係而家天橋冇咗啦 ，so they blocked it。See it's blocked， 冇咗。跟住我哋就行另一個方向，一個臨時嘅全新臨時行人通道啦。I think they're building something new and they're rebranding as Central Yards。唔知點樣 ，but we can go this way definitely to get to the pier。姨媽都係第一次行，咁我哋一齊行啦，好冇？哇！但呢度好靚喎。咁我哋嘿，有兩條電梯，我哋試下搭呢條啦。Will be different 。我哋搭呢條都係向上嘅，揸住先，係咪好似前面嗰個咁，都係揸實企定定。好啦，我都有揸住㗎，嗱，證明俾你睇啦。ta-da！ 哇！呢度係有冷氣嘅，所以唔熱㗎。咁呢度個行人通道咯。Oh, look at all these colors， 係咪啊？哇！佢話咧，每日香港有2300噸嘅膠咧，都係會抌走啊，所以我哋咧要 try to be environmentally friendly。所以姨媽都盡量，如果屋企出門口咧，都自己帶樽水出去咯。可能喺出邊買少啲 bottled stuff，like bottled water、bottled drinks， 咁咪少啲plastic 咯，係啦。係咁，佢呢度講緊香港歷史，姨媽冇睇到，所以有咩walking fast 冇睇到。I just want to get to the pier, but I love the colors in here and the AC feels really nice， 係咪啊？哦 ，A new Central is born。佢話 ，Look， 2027年就會開㗎啦，一個新嘅fun place, I guess. Central Yards. Yeah, I'm excited to see what they'll make. Hopefully it's really pretty. Because this wall is really pretty. 姨媽好中意好多唔同顏色嘅嘢，所以我覺得呢個都好靚。佢個 Hong Kong 呢個字咧，嗰個圓圈好似個 donut。I just thought of a donut， 係咪？Connecting sea, land, and sky. That makes me think of the fate of Ophelia. I won't sing the song. I'll get hot honey. But it's a good song. You should look it up. The fun song about the land, sea, and sky. Okay, I think we're almost through this tunnel. 就嚟穿過咗去啦。其實佢一個臨時 tunnel 咧，佢都係起得好靚，仲有埋凳俾你坐添，唔知去試下張凳好唔好坐先，係咪啊？係咯，話咁快2分幾3分鐘，我哋就行到去中環碼頭㗎啦。You see, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Whoa, look at that. It's the AIA Ferris wheel. So, I guess they're going to transform this whole section and build something different out of it. Central Yards. 咁睇下點？哦 ，look 佢會咁樣。Central's largest sky garden, for public gathering. Oh, they're building that. Multi-level open green space. So it's like a massive shopping mall with a massive, massive garden on top. That's actually really pretty. I wonder if it's gonna be doable. Well, I'm sure it is. You know, people dream it and someone builds it. It's pretty cool, right? You have your designers and then you have your architects. Some people bring those dreams to life. So, we'll see, 好冇？2027年我哋翻嚟睇下，搞成點先，好冇？好，繼續行啦，我哋就嚟穿過咗去啦，加油行快啲先。But these little mirrors are funny too. They're fun. Born to soar above the sky. Ta-da! Together, across sea, land, and sky. 都係 same slogan. 但好靚咯，呢度係咪啊？好似真係入咗個天空咁樣。 pretty cool space. OK， 我哋係4號碼頭啊，今日我哋喺南丫島，係要去搭1點嗰架船 ，so it cannot dilly-dally for too long. Because I'm meeting some friends and we're taking the ferry to Llama Island. See， 嚟到啦，嚟到中環碼頭啦，好快啊！如果我唔係停低俾你睇嘅咧，我自己行應該3分鐘行完呢條 tunnel 啦，所以其實真係好近好近。Look, this is the project they're working on. We'll see what it turns out to be. Okay, thanks for walking with me. I love you.